guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making sweet and sour pork. Alright, so this is the ingredients list to make our sweet and sour pork. So we have our pork here. We have garlic, seasoning peppers, ginger, onion, and shadow bene here. These are all ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to need some pineapple as well. So what we're going to do is mince up our shadow bene, garlic, and ginger. Okay, so you can use a food processor in order to mince these items. Now we're going to add those minced seasoning to our pork, as well as we're going to add a little bit of salt to it as well. We're going to add some black pepper. That's optional. Some people like black pepper, some people don't. We're going to also add some 5-spice seasoning to it as well. And of course our minced seasoning. We're going to mix everything together and we're going to leave that to marinate for a while. Now let's work on our sauce. So we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to use some chicken broth. About 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. One tablespoon of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the sugar, I would say sugar to taste. It depends on your preference. I'm going to add some pineapple juice as well. Okay, so now we're going to add our sauce to a saucepan so we can cook our sauce for between 5 to 7 minutes. To the sauce, we're going to add some onions, seasoning pepper, garlic, shadow bene to the sauce. Of course, I'm adding more chicken broth here. And I also added more pineapple juice as well. You mix everything together. We add our pineapple chunks to the sauce and we cook for the designated time. Like I said, you add salt and sugar to taste. After we have cooked our sauce, we're going to add a cornstarch slurry. So you put some cornstarch in a bowl with some water and you add that to the sauce in order to thicken it. Now let's deep fry our pork. So we're going to use some cornstarch. I'm going to add the cornstarch to the pork. We're going to mix everything together. And then we're going to deep fry our pork until it's cooked. I'm using coconut oil to fry my pork. We're going to place it on a paper towel to drain. And then we will add our pork to our sweet and sour sauce. And we mix everything well so it gets nicely coated. And then we sprinkle with chive and we serve. Enjoy!